marches to the stands. Go as hard is in our hands. Feel the rhythm, hear the cheer. Victory is drawing near. Force of Goa, let's unite in the sun or under lights. Force of Goa, we will fight. Play with pride, blue and white. Every match, every stride, Goa's love is our guide. With the wave, we roar aloud. Goa's anthem makes us proud. Final Goa, hearts are full. With our team, we break the mold. Force of Goa, one and all. Together we stand, together we call. With hearts ablaze, we take the field. Our courage strong, our spirit steel. Together we run, together we strive. In the game of life, we come alive. The spirit of sports, it unites us all. With every rise, with every fall, we play with honor, we play with grace. The joy of the game on every face. The whistle blows, the race begins. We fight with faith and every win. Through sweat and toil, we give our best. In every trial, we find our zest. The spirit of sports, it unites us all. With every rise, with every fall, we play with honor, we play with grace. The joy of the game on every face. It's not just victory, it's how we play. The lessons we learn each passing day. Respect for all, the strength to endure. In every challenge, our hearts are pure. The finish line, the cheers resound. In every effort, glory is found. We celebrate not just the prize, but the spirit that in our soul resides. The spirit of sports, it unites us all. With every rise,